Hello friends, welcome to JavaScript tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to study about the another control statement, which is switch statement. In our previous tutorial, we have studied if-else-if statement to perform a multi-way branch. However, this is not always the best situation, especially when all the branches depend on the value of a single variable. We can use a switch statement which handles exactly this situation, and it does so more efficiently than repeated if-else-if statement. This is the syntax of switch statement. Here, this is the expression is to be evaluated. All the statements in cases depends on the value of expression. First, interpreter evaluates the expression and then checks its value against all the case value. If match found, then that particular statement will be executed. And if no one match found, then default statement will be executed. Here break statement indicate to the interpreter to end the particular case. To clear your idea about switch, let's go through the example. Here, this is the example of switch. Here we have day variable which contains value 3. This is the switch and day is as expression. This all cases depends on the value of day. First, interpreter checks the value against case 1, but it does not match. So then interpreter goes to case 2. Same way it goes to case 3. Here the match is found. So interpreter will display the statement and then break the switch statement. Let's take a look at the output. So this is the output. This statement comes from the case 3 and then break the switch statement. Let's change the value of variable day 7. Save the program and refresh our browser. So here today is Saturday, which comes from the case 7. Change value once more 8. Here we don't have any case which contains value 8. So switch statement will display default statement. Let's check the output. Refresh browser. So here this statement comes from the default statement. So here we have studied another control statement which is switch, and this switch statement is better than if-else-if statement.